正所謂學習，小朋友想學好英文，又點可以唔多啲練習呢？我每日都會抽啲時間規定個小朋友同我講英文㗎。Hey boy, English time 啊
Yes, mother.
！Good, how are you?
Good.
Good 啊 ？How good?
Very good.
哈哈哈！
哈。
哈 speed， 動哈哈哈。
Apple.
Yes,
Banana.
yes,
Rice.
good.
Hitachi.
Hitachi not English 啊 ，speak English 啊 ，quick.
Mother.
Yes,
I go toilet.
English time 啊，why toilet?
Big banana. Brown banana.
Brown banana. 哈哈哈 ，go go go.
Yes, mother.
哈哈哈 ，Brown banana。英文呢家嘢最緊要咁講，表達到意思就得啦。多謝各位。